How to import fonts to CapCut. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can import the fonts to the CapCut. So guys, to import the custom fonts in the CapCut, you can have to follow some steps. So first of all, you can download the font from your choice from a reputable source such as Google Font. So you will have to tap right here on the Google, and then from there you will have to search for the font, and you will see that there will be the different options from there, from where you can get the fonts. So you can also download the font from there. Also guys, you can extract the font file. If the font is downloaded in a zip format, extract the files to access that font. So guys, add the font to the CapCut. Open the CapCut app and navigate to the text or the font setting. So these steps may vary slightly based on the device you are using, but the general process remains consistent. So importing custom fonts can enhance the visual appeals of your videos and add a touch of the creativity to your project. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.